Hello and welcome to the next in the series of Walk Around Chester. We just hit the Northgate. We left off, you can just see the Roman walls, part of the Roman walls, and the cliffs and the canal. This is the Northgate. There's the Liverpool Arms pub. There's disco and live music. There's some shops up on the walls. This is the Blue Coat School. This is Charity Place. I've also got a Citizens Advice Bureau. A dentist. This is Groom Shop. There it is. This is George Street. That leads down to the bus station, new bus exchange. You can cross the crossing. This is Upper Northgate Street. We've got the Bull and Stirrup, which is the new Weatherspoons. It's a hotel, as well as a bar at the bottom.
What's that? What do we do about it?
This is a virtual reality centre. This is a student homes building. Oh, it's empty now. This is Delamere Street. We've got Tesco Express, Papa John's Pizza, the Health Centre, Fountains Health Centre. This is the Fountains roundabout, which the fountains aren't switched on at the moment. Then you've got the George and Dragon pub on there. Got Saks Hairdressers, Minerva Tattoo Lounge, Custom Upholstery, Blue Lagoon, fast food takeaway, chicken pizza kebabs, 9 Elephants restaurant. That's Thai food. 9 Elephants. 9 Elephants. Bombay Palace, which is Indian, obviously. Bombay Palace. Wayne Paul Hairdressers. That's the road out to Liverpool Road and Parkgate Road. This one goes to the Wirral. Parkgate Road goes to the Wirral. Liverpool Road goes the other side of the Wirral, up to Birkenhead. This is Upper Northgate. That's Canal Street leading down to the canal, obviously, and the Telford's warehouse. It also goes down to Sealand Road, which you can get into North Wales.
Oh, nice. Where do you go? There is the pizza shop over there. They sell pizza. Yeah, it is.
It's the Blue Coat Centre. Municipal charities and the like. We just come across the canal. You got the bridge size, which is a little bridge where the prisoners were taken across from the jail that used to be here to be executed. There'll be a chapel there and then they're executed.